So in this video, we are going to learn to expand single brackets. And don't forget, in order to expand brackets, we must always follow the BIDMAS, and of course the B stands for brackets. So whenever you see brackets, that's the first thing that you should do. So this is how we expand brackets. So I'm just going to write a very basic expression here. Now, the way I look at it is this 3 is on the outside of the bracket. So it's multiplying by all the terms that are inside the bracket. There are 2 terms inside the bracket, the A and the positive B, because remember the plus sign belongs to the B. So we need to make sure that this 3 on the outside is multiplied by both the terms inside the bracket. So I'm going to multiply the 3 by the A to give me 3A, plus the 3 times positive B gives me 3B. Now let's do another example where the number on the outside of the bracket is a negative. So let's go negative 4 multiplied by x plus 2. Okay, so same principle, just this negative belongs to the term on the right, so it's negative 4, not just 4. So when I'm multiplying the negative 4 by both terms inside the bracket, I need to take the negative into account. So I'm going to do negative 4 times x and negative 4 times the positive 2. So that gives me negative 4x minus 8. Now let's have a look at what happens when we have a variable on the outside of the bracket. So I've got an x on the outside of the bracket, and remember it's a positive x, there's no negative signs, so I'm going to do x multiplied by x and then next x multiplied by 3. So that gives me x squared plus 3x. Now let's have a look at when there's a negative sign inside the bracket. So let's go x minus 10. So x multiplied by x gives me the x squared, and then I'm going to do x multiplied by negative 10 because the negative belongs to the 10, gives me negative 10x. Now we also sometimes have to expand more than one bracket where they are separated by a plus sign. So let me give you an example. So I'm going to write an expression. It's quite a long expression. Now in this case, when I expand, I see that this bracket here and this bracket are separated by a plus sign. So I must expand them separately. So I'm going to do 4 times 3x and 4 times 4. Then I'm going to do 7 times x and 7 times 2. So I get 12x plus 16 plus 7x plus 14. Now I can simplify the like terms. So 12x and positive 7x go together to make 19x. And then 16 plus the positive 14 gives me 30. The last situation that we have is when you've got a bracket and a constant. To do this, you expand the bracket first, and then you incorporate the constant afterwards and simplify.